Hello, folks. This is Cam Mater from Mater Wealth with an educational update for the month of May 2023. In this edition, we'll discuss recent market indicators, including another recent regional bank failure. Financial markets can be challenging to understand. And when markets enter a bad news is good news cycle, it becomes even more challenging to follow along. Stock prices rallied at the end of April after the Commerce Department reported that first quarter GDP, gross domestic product, rose at 1.1% annualized rate. That was well short of the 2% that economists were expecting. Then a few days later, the financial markets shrugged off news that a regional bank was rescued by federal regulators and was acquired by a multinational U.S. bank. It was the third bank issue in the past 60 days. So why would stocks rally on a bad GDP report and news of another bank being closed? With the GDP report, Wall Street concluded that despite the lower than expected number, the overall report showed the consumer was still spending, so the bad news had a good news silver lining. Remember, consumer spending accounts for about 70% of total economic activity. With the regional bank, the markets focused on the good news from the winning bidder, which expressed confidence that the regional bank crisis was ending. If you respond that's nonsense, you're not alone. When the market enters a bad news is good news cycle, it can be difficult for even the most seasoned investors to anticipate how markets will react to any economic update or news event. When we created your portfolio, we anticipated there would be times of financial uncertainty. So we're not letting the market dictate any decisions. Instead, we base our decisions on your goals, your time horizon, and your risk tolerance. That's it for this educational update. Once again, this is Cam Mater with Mater Wealth. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 651-379-0456. We'd be happy to talk to you. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investment involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. No investment strategy can guarantee a profit or protect against loss in periods of declining markets. The indices mentioned above are unmanaged and cannot be invested into directly. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Thank you. Make it a great May. Bye now.